Finally, a ballast regulator spreads gravel onto the track. With a firm pull, the rail is lifted out one after another. This is the secret behind rail renewal. The removed rails are then loaded into a nearby carriage. Keep in mind that a single rail typically weighs over a ton. The machine capable of handling such weight is called a track renewal train. This machine features two sliding rails at the top. During the renewal process, workers position the crane onto the tracks and control the grabber below, which firmly grips the rail. With a powerful upward pull, the rail is extracted thanks to the sliding rails. The rail is smoothly moved into the front carriage, since it's a renewal train. After removing the worn-out rails, workers prepare the track. Once a layer of fiber mesh is laid down, another renewal train arrives to lay new rails. Following the reverse operation sequence, the new rails are unloaded from the carriage and installed one by one, completing the rail renewal process.